Balitang Rational. Good morning, Pilipinas, and welcome to another edition of Balitang Rational. For this video, allow me to use English and Tagalog as our medium of instruction. Sa pag-simplify ng rational expression, dapat gamitin natin yung mga topic ng factoring. Dito po, di po natin pwedeng i-cancel yung negative 1 na nakikita natin sa numerator at saka sa denominator. At saka di po natin pwedeng gamitin din po yung cancellation law sa 2 at saka 8 and then x in x cubed. Because all the terms in the numerator are separated by subtraction as well as in our denominator. The cancellation law will only work for terms or coefficients that are separated by multiplication. So ang gagawin natin is we're going to factor out our denominator. Yung numerator natin po is already in the simplest form, so we don't need to factor that out. Our denominator, on the other hand, can still be factored. Looking at our given po, yung denominator natin are separated by subtraction. So let's try to see if the first term and the second term are both perfect squares, so we could use the difference of two squares. Our second term is 1, it's a perfect square. However, your first term natin is 8 and x cubed are not perfect square expressions. Rather, they are perfect cube together with 1. So what we can do here is to apply yung difference of two cubes. We still have the same numerator, 2x minus 1. But our numerator, since they are, again, they fell into the category of difference of two cubes, we are sure to have a binomial and a trinomial factor. If ever we have sum or difference of two cubes, we are sure to have a binomial and a trinomial factors. For our binomial factors, we simply take the cube root of the first term. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of x is x. And then the cube root of the second term will be the second term of our binomial as well. Cube root of 1 is 1. And we use the same sign as this. Right? So we have 2x minus 1. And then makikita ninyo, we can already cancel this. But let's just do it later kasi nga hahanapin pa rin natin yung trinomial expression dito. So that's for the binomial factor of this difference of two cubes. Now, for our trinomial siya, so we have three terms. Simply take the binomial here. Focus on the binomial that you have arrived earlier. Take the square of the first term. Square of 2 is 4, and you have here x squared. Take the square of the second, that will be your last here, positive 1. Now for the middle term is when you multiply both of this. Okay, so 2x times 1 is 2x, but you will have an opposite sign, minus 2x. It's not plus x. You try to multiply the two terms of your binomial and change it to your opposite sign. So this is the factor po. This is the trinomial factor of the given difference of two cubes. Again, you have a binomial, take the cube root of the first term, take the cube root of the second term, and use the same sign. But for your trinomial, refer to your binomial here, take the square of the first term, take the square of the second term, at saka yung middle term niya is a result when we multiply the two terms and then assign the opposite sign. And pagkatapos ito, we can cancel this already. Now, when we removed 2x minus 1 sa numerator, may natitira pa pong expression doon. And ang natitira doon is just 1. And it's over the entire trinomial 4x squared plus 2x then plus 1. Ito po ang ating sagot dito sa pag-simplify ng rational na expression na ito. Lester Lou Sigumpaan, nagbabalita for Balitang Rational. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like at i-share ang video ito. Maraming salamat!